Welcome to this tutorial on how to request money on Venmo in 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through the process step by step, covering key concepts, practical examples, and best practices. To start, make sure you have the Venmo app installed on your mobile device and that you are logged into your account. If you do not have an account, you can easily create one by following the in-app instructions. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main screen and click on the Request Money tab. This will take you to a new screen where you can enter the details of the request. Start by entering the amount of money you want to request and the name of the person you are requesting it from. You can also add a note to the request to provide context and explain why you are requesting the money. This is a good practice to avoid any confusion or misunderstandings. For example, if you are requesting money from a friend for a shared dinner, you can add a note that says dinner at restaurant. Next, you can choose how you want to send the request. You can send it directly to the person via their Venmo handle, or you can send it to their phone number or email address if they are not on Venmo. Make sure to double-check the recipient's information to ensure the request is sent to the right person. After you have entered all the details, review the request to make sure everything is correct. Check the amount, the recipient, and the note to ensure it is accurate and clear. If everything looks good, click the Request Money button to send the request. The recipient will then receive a notification with the details of the request and can choose to accept or decline it. If they accept, the money will be transferred to your Venmo account. If they decline, you will receive a notification and can try to request the money again or use an alternative method. In summary, requesting money on Venmo is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. Make sure to enter the correct details, add a clear note, and review the request before sending it. By following these best practices, you can ensure a smooth and successful transaction.